The Cleaning Lady renewed for season 4 despite leadership change. The Cleaning Lady, a crime drama, will return to Fox for a fourth season despite the departure of its showrunners. The Hollywood Reporter revealed that the studio will continue the program despite the fact that they are looking for new showrunners. According to the outlet's sources, the leadership for the next season will change as Miranda, Kwok, and Jeannine Renshaw will no longer serve as executive producers and showrunners. Kwok, who created the series, will remain an executive consultant and will work on new program development with Warner Brothers Television. The search for a new showrunner is set to be underway, with an announcement expected in the coming weeks. A source added. The drama is based on the original Argentinian serial, which follows Thony De La Rosa, Élodie Yung, a Cambodian-Filipino former surgeon who is presently working and living in Las Vegas on an expired visa with her 5-year-old son Luca. Thony works as a cleaner alongside her sister-in-law Fiona Martha Milan after witness a murder. Thony is given a position as a cleaner and doctor within a criminal organization that pays her well enough to maintain her family. As a result, Thony begins to lead a double life, maintaining secrets from her family while cleaning up crime scenes and avoiding the authorities.